Do you have a persistent itch between your toes? Here is how to end it for good, using simple ingredients from your kitchen. If you have ever dealt with athlete's foot, you know the real struggle is not just the itching. It is the fact it always seems to come back. But a permanent solution does not have to mean harsh chemicals. Nature provides powerful options that tackle the root fungal cause, as long as you are consistent and pair them with smart hygiene habits. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Our first remedy is apple cider vinegar. It works by making your skin more acidic, turning it into a place where fungus simply cannot survive. For a potent foot soak, combine equal parts vinegar and warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes each day. Afterward, make sure you dry your feet completely, paying close attention to the spaces between your toes. For a more targeted approach, you can apply it directly with a cotton ball. Number 2. Tea tree oil. This essential oil is famous for its antifungal and antibacterial strengths, reaching deep into the skin to fight the infection at its source. Apply a few drops, either neat or mixed with a carrier oil, to the problem area twice daily, massaging it in gently. Consistency is your most powerful remedy. Always use a pure, high-quality oil and continue the treatment even after you start feeling relief. Number 3. Baking soda. Let us talk about baking soda. Fungus thrives in dampness, and baking soda counteracts this by drying the area out while fighting the infection. Create a thick paste by mixing a tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water. Spread this on the affected skin. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse. You can also add 2 tablespoons to a liter of water for a drying foot bath. Number 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a fantastic dual-action option. It contains fatty acids that combat fungus while simultaneously healing and moisturizing skin that has become dry and cracked. Rub a small amount onto your feet 2 to 3 times per day, ideally after washing them. To supercharge the effects, try blending in a drop or 2 of tea tree oil. Number 5. Garlic. Then we have garlic, a potent natural antifungal. Crush 1 clove and mix it with a bit of olive oil. Apply this mixture, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. A word of caution, avoid using this on skin that is broken or overly sensitive. Number 6. Black tea. Another great drying agent is black tea. The tannins in the tea have a strong astringent quality, which is perfect if you also suffer from sweaty feet. Steep several tea bags in a liter of hot water for 10 minutes. Once it is cool, soak your feet for 20 minutes. After the bath, let your feet air dry completely before putting on socks or shoes. Number 7. The core principle, hygiene. Finally, and this is non-negotiable, hygiene. Without it, no treatment will be fully effective. When the battle between your toes, and keep it one, this means daily sock changes, washing them at high temperatures, and disinfecting your shoes regularly. Use your own towel or flip-flops in public wet areas, and regularly clean any tools or fabrics that touch your feet. Final words. If you found these natural life hacks helpful, show your support by giving this video a like and subscribing to Natural Life Hacks for more ways to thrive naturally.